Hi friends, let me show you this new Kinivo USB-C hub that I just bought. It is a great unit. You connect it to any computer through a USB-C port and you get all these ports. You get 3 USB-A ports here. You get an HDMI port here for video. You get an SD and micro SD card ports here and another USB-C port here for energy or to connect any other equipment, okay? So if you're looking for a hub that helps you connect more accessories to your computer, this is a great one. I have a Mac computer, a laptop, and it has only 2 USB-C ports. So with this hub, I will be able to connect a lot of equipment to it. I am going to test it and recommend that you buy this hub if you want to connect more accessories to your computer. Hi friends, let me show you how I am going to use my Kinivo USB-C hub to connect my laptop to my office equipment, okay? So I'm going to use one of the USB-C ports that I have here, okay? I am going to allow the accessory, okay? Now I'm going to use the charging USB-C port here to charge my computer. As you can see, it's already charging, okay? There's the energy sign there. Okay, then I want to use my TV as an external monitor. There it is. You see, I am mirroring my computer over there. Now, I like to use this microphone and I am going to all my accessories connected to this USB-C. Okay, so now I am using my computer mouse. As you can see, I'm going to open just a note and I will be able to write with my external keyboard. Hi, I am going to test my G microphone that is connected to my USB hub. Perfect. So as you can see, you can connect everything to your office accessories and work in a large monitor like this, even with your computer closed, okay? So I could keep working outside of my computer using all my equipment just with my USB-C docking hub. So I think it's great. You can use a bigger computer. Now you can use 2 monitors. You could put a different window here and keep working with your laptop like this. So, well, I think it's great. You have 2 monitors. You can work with 2 monitors at home or in your office, taking advantage of all your accessories, having more space to work just because my Kinivo USB hub. So I think it's great. I think it's a very nice way of working, and with a small appliance, with a small accessory, you can have all this power at your disposal. So perfect. Really recommend this little but mighty equipment. Thank you.